Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see old Google Map Street View. So let's get started. So the first step is to go to Google Maps website. So head on to your browser and type in Google Maps. Alright, so now let's head on to our Google Maps website. Alright, so after we are on this map, all you have to do is on the left hand side see the option for searching the location. So for example, I want to search New Jersey. Alright, so here we are in Philadelphia. So to view the street view, all you have to do is drag this little man icon, and then drag it to the map, and then you'll be able to view the street view as well. Alright, so now if you want to see the old version of this picture, here you can see the option for see more dates. So click over here, and so here you can see the multiple different pictures taken at different dates. So if you want to see the old view, all you have to do is click on the oldest date. So pick your desired date, and here this is our September 2009 view. So it looked like this in 2009. So yeah, that is how you'll be able to view old Google Map Street View. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.